So I'm going to start with my brows by brushing all the hairs downwards. And brows are the first thing that I like to do before any of my makeup. So I'm going to start by just going over the natural line that my brow already has with my pencil. And for me personally, I like to create just a little bit of an extra arch that my brow just does not have. And then I like to extend the tail of the brow just a tiny bit. And now I'm just kind of filling in my brows in the sparse areas, following the shape and direction of my hairs. Now I'm going to take my spoolie and brush all my hairs upwards. This is going to help me see the bottom shape of my brow. And I'm just going to draw kind of a thick line underneath the beginning of my brow. And then I'm going to take that line and just blend it out and brushing it upwards with the spoolie. And then I'm going to just create those small hair-like brush strokes underneath my brow and fill in the rest of the sparse areas. So I always take my spoolie vertically and just brush upwards and kind of create a blurry start to my brow. And then I'm going to take my Benefit Gimme Brow in the shade 1 and set the brow. I like to brush the beginning of my brow upwards and the rest kind of naturally where it lays, just for more control and a little hold. Now I'm taking my KKW Duo Concealer brush and then my Urban Decay Naked Concealer in the shade Light Neutral, and I'm going to just kind of cut out my brow, clean it up a little bit, and I'm just following the natural shape of my brow. And then I'm going to take the other end of the brush, which I really love, and it's very important. You have to blend out the concealer under the brow. This will give it a much more natural finish, a lot less drawn on. Now I'm just going to do the same to the top, and what I like to do is start from where it is about to arch and actually go inwards towards the brow, and this is going to not go through where I want the brows to look kind of messy and brushed up, and it just blurs right into it very nicely. And then I sculpt out the rest of the brow and blend it right over where I like it to look a little more messy, and that'll give you the gradient look. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up for me, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks guys!